Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem and preparing tools. Plug the headphones into two different sources and listen. Once done, check your device audio balance to ensure software isn't forcing mono. If the issue persists, power down and remove any detachable cable. Make sure you have a multimeter, small screwdriver, soldering iron, heat shrink, and isopropyl alcohol ready. Next, remove the ear cup screws and expose the driver and cable. This first hands-on step makes the hidden break visible so you can fix it. You now diagnose wiring and repair the break. Probe each conductor with a multimeter in continuity mode to find where the signal stops or shorts to ground. This pinpoints the damaged section. Once identified, gently cut back frayed insulation, strip 1, 5.2 mm, tin the wires and pads, then carefully resolder the connection to the driver or plug. After cooling, slide heat shrink over the joint and shrink it to prevent shorts. And make sure any strain relief is reattached, so movement won't re-break the wire. You finish by putting everything back together and verifying sound. Reinstall the ear cup, tighten screws without over-tightening, then test using known stereo tracks and several devices. Make sure balance is centered. If output remains mono, inspect the plug wiring. Tip, ring, sleeve may be miswired or one conductor open, replace the cable or use a new adapter. If problems persist, swap the driver or try an external amp to determine whether the speaker itself failed. That check is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.